Hi guys, I hope you guys are good. I'm not. I'm not good. I'm not good at all, but I'll be fine. As you guys can see with the title of this video, sorry, I'm just getting this chair down. As you guys can see with the title of this video, I got retrenched from work. Yeah. By the time you see this video, I would have secured another job, so I would have found another job and everything. So I'm not gonna post this until I get another job. So I'm very emotional today. I was supposed to go and just like do a proper file handover, but my director texted, my principal texted me, and she was just like, rather study today because I'm studying for my boards. Got retrenched literally 2 to 3 weeks before my boards. So you guys can imagine the anxiety and the stress that I'm going through right now. I am going to share how I'm feeling at this point. I did communicate this before, I think in one of my videos, that the firm wasn't doing that well financially, and it was a type of environment, like really I was already applying because it wasn't the type of environment that I wanted to be in. Yabo. If manje usuzoqala ukungibalisela mase kumele ungikhokhele, to me that's a problem, because I show up. One thing about me and people that know me, I show up. Even the advocates that I've worked with, like, they know me. They know with me. I show up, I get things done. And ngumuntu ofika early. I'm never late. I was never late at work. I do my work and I leave on time and everything like that. But I go above and beyond to do my work. So, it's just, do I think that the whole retrenchment thing should have been done a bit better? Yes, it should have, because I literally they only literally just told us this Tuesday. Today's a Friday. They just told us this Tuesday that they deciding to close the firm, and obviously it bezizolo. So technically my last day was yesterday. I think for me what's upsetting the most is that they knew what was going to happen before it actually happened. So I'm just going to run you guys through the story of what happened. I don't want to leave you guys in the dark. Hi guys, like, they knew that they were going to close, because there were signs here and there would say, hey, financial difficulties. We got an email would say, hey, unzima, and stuff like that, and we would get messages. We would see like, yeah, unzima. But my thing was that, okay, unzima, yabo, but a lifestyle abayiphilayo was just not depicting ukuthi there's a financial struggle, yabo, in that angeke ungitshele ukuthi wena awunamali, but you udlama takeaways every day. Ngeke ungitshele ukuthi wena awunamali, yabo, like you worried about ama salaries nanan, but you doing your hair, ama house calls, yabo. House calls are expensive, yabo. You're doing your hair nakhona every like second week type of a vibe, you're doing your hair and stuff like that. And then njalo Gay 15, it's a problem. Yeah, guys, we need to like get money. I'm trying to chase money and stuff like that. We're trying to chase clients and stuff like that. Njalo Gay 15, it was a repetitive thing, and that's why I wasn't like able to be open about it. Like now I'm being open about it because now I'm out of that place. They've officially retrenched all of us. Too, so they've officially retrenched all of us. But when every month every month we knew, like I mean I already knew it's from E1 till E10, say, right? But from E15 if it's like it's just beef left and right, you know. People are just like, you know, they're not, I mean, I won't know it's a problem, you know, and money is a problem. And then we would get our salaries, and then I remember I was told with him they had just paid me, and I was told you know, yeah, I just paid you, and I had to sell a kidney to pay you. And in my mind I'm like, I've been showing up every single day. Like, you need to pay me at the end of the day. Like, I don't want to be brought in. I had never commented on the firm's financial struggles and everything like that, but money was coming in, you know. We were bringing clients in, you understand? So, like, at the end of the day, to me it was confusing. You had to sell a kidney to pay me, you understand? As if you're going to own a firm, or if you're going to own a business, every day, you understand? Because what they would do is that as soon as a deposit comes in, that deposit is gone already. We haven't done the work, but Mara, the deposit, or apparently, I mean, that's what we were told, it's gone already. And you know, and stuff like that, you know. And we would push, you know, we'd work so hard, we would push for money to come in and stuff like that. Like, we would do the work, we would draft, like I would literally, like, you know, go above and beyond to make sure that the work is done so that we can bill for it and everything like that. And then it would be disheartening, man, like ingeni salary yako, and you like all that work, you know, for lemali lena. It's honestly you know. And this is not me trying to like bash the firm or anything, but it's solely just like, it's my experience. And I'm still going to do story times like I promised, and I am going to put a disclaimer in each and every one of them. Uguti, this is my experience, you know. I'm not going to be saying any names, I'm not going to say the name of the firm and everything like that, but like, you know, like, this is my experience, and I want to share my experience. And I want to show law students out there and other legal professionals, like law students, that it's not always rosy. This profession is not always rosy. But I also want to share my journey, because I know that other candidate attorneys are not able to share their journey, as they feel like they are going through these type of stuff alone. I know that there are groups where candidate attorneys share and stuff like that, but I think YouTube is the more effective way of me sharing my experience, because, like, you know, yeah, basically. So yeah, guys, that's the type of situation I was in. Every month and every month in J, it was just like, you know, gaslighting, you know. And then the day ukhuluma, it's a problem, you know. It was that type of an environment, and it's just it got to a point where me and my work bestie, we couldn't take it anymore. Like, we're just complaining every single day, like we're just doing the bare minimum, you know. But the crux of the matter is that right now, all I wanted to say is that guys, I got retrenched. You know, I don't know how to feel about it as yet. Like, I was crying this morning, because, you know, right now they're acting as if, like, I'm closing my firm, guys. Like, you guys don't understand, I'm closing my firm. But at the same time, like, look at my situation, you know. Yes, you're closing your firm, but at least you admit it. I'm not. I'm 3 weeks away from my exams, and you're just telling me that you're retrenching me. Now, on that week, when your retrenchment, Jani, like, you're retrenching me, you don't have money, then you pay me my money, because we were paid. You pay me my money, and then what, yeah, I paid you guys. I didn't even have remuneration, my own remuneration and stuff like that. And in my mind I'm like, I understand that, but you're supposed to pay us Vele anyway. You understand? Like, as much as, like, yes, you are closing your firm and stuff like that, but at the end of the day, Nami, I lost my job. I like, guys, I couldn't even celebrate my year as like a CA. I have just celebrated my year on the 22nd of July. Like, I couldn't even celebrate my year. I just wrote something on LinkedIn and people were congratulating me, but I couldn't even celebrate because of a situation as I'm 17. And I can't post, I can't, like, post on social media and stuff like that. Like, I can't do what I love to do. I love content creation and I love sharing, like, my experience, but I couldn't even do that because I was in such a space where I'm like, what more? Like, what more? Like, what more is gonna happen at this point? Like, it was just something. Every day it was something. So what does the future hold? I don't know. I am trusting God in the whole process. There's a verse that says, Uguti, be still and the Lord will fight for you. And that's what I have been doing. I haven't retaliated. There's a lot of things that I could have retaliated to, and you guys will notice it once when I start doing the story times. There's a lot that I could have retaliated to, but I did not. There's a lot that I could have responded to, but I did not. And at the end of the day, it all worked out for me, because it was never a situation with, yeah, it's you and stuff like that, and yeah, it's you, but they did it all by themselves. They did it all by themselves, and they closed their firm and stuff like that, and they are the ones that put me in this situation. I didn't resign. They retrenched me. They put me in this situation. So I don't know what the future holds, but I'm definitely getting interviews. So I'm currently undergoing interviews and stuff like that. So yeah, I do believe that I will get something, but on a brighter side, at least I will get uninterrupted study time, because it was a lot for me, you guys. It was a lot, like juggling work, juggling court appearances and everything else, plus studying, plus this whole situation, guys. Like, I was doing a lot. Like, I'm going to be honest with you guys. I was doing work, court appearances, all of that, drafting, like in the midst of it, and like keeping up with deadlines. I'm studying. Remember, I'm studying, and I had classes and everything like that. I'm job hunting. Job hunting is a job on its own, guys. I was doing all of these things. Like, yo, guys, it is just, it's a lot. So at least now, the huge part that took a lot of my time falls off, as sad as it is. But yeah, it fell off. And I'm just going to carry on and see where life takes me. Let's see where God takes me, because I like with all my heart, and he's brought me this far. I've learned so much, I've gained so much experience, and I have been taking every single thing. I've worked with advocates, and I've been observing every single thing that they're doing, taking notes and everything. So I've definitely gained experience within this year. At least I've done my PLT, so I don't have to carry on with articles. I can just carry on and share the way. My work bestie is phoning. Let me just... Okay, so like I was saying, I don't have to carry on with articles. I can literally do anything in the legal field. So the only thing that's left is just my board exams for me to get admitted. So I can literally just work in any position within the legal field, because I have experience as well. So yeah, guys, that's an update. I thought I should just give you guys an update. I think also the the positive side of it is that I'll get to do content for you guys. I've recorded content, but I have to edit it. I didn't have time to edit, so at least now I'll have time to like edit, yeah, well, here and there, and just post like I used to post before. But now, guys, I am free of that. I'm free of that environment, and you guys will understand. You guys definitely will understand once I give you guys the details of some of the things that happened there. Why I'm getting free. So yeah, guys, I'm literally going for interviews. I have one on Monday as well. So yeah, whatever that it is, I'm just going to embrace the change. I'm going to embrace whatever it is that's going on. Yeah, my work bestie found like another job, of which like I'm so happy for her. She like no one deserves it more than her. So yeah, and then Mina, I'm lucky Uti, now I have time to just like lock in and just like just go in with these exams. Like I need to start locking in. So yeah, guys, like that's the updates that I wanted to give you guys. I'm retrenched. I'm no longer a candidate attorney. It's crazy to say. So yeah, as I said, that you guys will only see this video once I've secured something. So if you see this video, I've secured something, and I know you guys will send sweet messages and comments down in the comments section. Yeah, I really do appreciate it. I appreciate you guys so much. You guys have grown with me from being a UNISA student, like a university student, and when I started my articles, and yeah, now I'm retrenched. Now we have to move somewhere else, guys. And I'm so excited to see where God takes me, because I'm gonna take you guys with me. And it's also exciting because I think you guys will get to see that the law profession is not all about a law firm. You know, if I do secure a job in a law firm, that'll be fine. You know, because I was going to quite a few interviews as well internationally, law firms that are like in the UK, in the US. So that would be interesting to do. So yeah, guys, like yeah, I'm quite sad today. I'm very down today, but I know I'll be fine. And we move, guys. At the end of the day, we move. So yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you can also share this video on social media, wherever. I don't really mind. I've had people saying that, Yazi, I want to share like a snippet of you and make a meme of you on TikTok and stuff, and I'm like, guys, I don't mind. I really don't mind. If you guys want to share my videos on social media, I don't mind at all, because at the end of the day, it's all about sharing my experience and, you know, just like bringing awareness to some of the things that are happening in the legal profession. So yeah, guys, I'll check you guys next time. I'll just be studying today, and I'll just like be doing some self-care today. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Please take care of yourselves. Remember to take care of yourselves always. Put yourself first, like at all times. Don't settle for less. You know, don't put anything else beyond your mental health. You know, your mental health matters, because the damage that comes with you staying in a situation that does not serve you, guys, like it's a lot. I do have some of the damage that I need to take care of because of that environment. Mentally, there's certain things that did traumatize me, and like now I have to deal with it. So guys, prioritize your mental health. Don't let anyone else tell you otherwise, especially if you're young. You can do whatever you want to do. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. At the end of the day, you can do whatever you want to do, as long as it makes you happy. Life is too short, you know. Life is just too short to be staying in an environment that you don't want to be in, or to do something that you don't want to do. So at the end of the day, guys, do whatever you want to do. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. I love you guys.